placing that light right there because it's dull and I can't see anything at night. So that's what I'm replacing. Somewhat replaced. And I gotta turn this around because my right arm doesn't work anymore. Oh, pretty well, nice. See if I can get a better angle on this. Better? I'm trying to keep you out of the sun too. Because let's see here. Hey, you're still full sun. This is Florida, so any type of full sun with the camera just goes completely out. If you need to get that black crap off there, just use Goo Gone. Not paint thinner, not anything like that, just regular old Goo Gone. What I'm putting back in there are some of these, one for each side. I was going to get white ones, but the white ones were $20 more. If I ever want to, I'll just paint them. So that's what I'm putting back in. And because everything in this RV is backwards, make sure it works before I hook it up and get it all installed. Yep, it's backwards. Okay. Yay. Now what I'll do is I'll go around. Hey, it works. And I'll get a demonstration of that at night. I would have gotten the other one, but you know, not like you haven't seen a really dull light at night before. And if you haven't, you need to get out and touch grass. Alright, let's get some light on out here. See how this worked. Let's see here. Hey, that works. Aziz, light. It worked. Nice. And then with the light off, find the switch. It's not perfectly dark out here, but it works. And I have my wonderful, oh shit.